Hello and welcome to Pristine Healings. This video is especially for people who are in love with tarot and oracle decks like me. So whenever I purchase a new tarot deck or oracle deck, so I am here for people who are looking for new decks and they are not comfortable, like knowing which one is better, which one could be connected with them easily. So I am back with a new video with this new deck which is called the fortune telling deck. So it is pronounced, if in French I call it, it's fin de siècle, Kipper. So this means the end of century. This is by Cairo Mercheri. Again, this deck is very beautiful. I so wanted to have this deck, and after ordering it on Amazon, I received this deck after 15 days. So this fin de siècle deck, this is situated in Victorian England. So this is like a traditional deck with 3 supplemental cards. The deck represents human experiences across all echelons of society. Card meanings are provided by 3 expert Kipper readers. So these includes 39 cards and 83-page illustrated guideline. These cards can be combined and used with the Gilded Reverie Lenormand. Like if you have the other cards which belongs to the same Cairo Mercheri, you can use these cards with that. So let's not waste time and open this beautiful deck. So as always, I am so excited to open this deck. Okay, so it opens like a book. So there is a small book in this box in which there is an introduction. So this book is black and white book. The card meanings are mentioned in the book. The details of the cards are mentioned here with the name of the card and the picture of the card. So this book is like so small, you can carry it wherever you are going. You can carry these cards and the book in your purse and wherever you are traveling or you're going. Okay, at the end it also has like some spreads are there. Card 1, like 1 card spread, 2 card spreads. So there are the spreads too, like mentioned here. Okay, so let's see the cards. Okay, so the size of the cards is very convenient. You can easily hold them in your hand. If I see the size of the card, it's like I can keep it in my palm. So these are very convenient cards. So let's see the texture of the cards. The cards are actually very beautiful. These are silver in color, like the border, it's silver in color. How to cut it? No, I'm just trying to open it because I'm just scared I don't spoil the cards. Okay, here I got it. Yeah, right. So here the wait is over. Oh my goodness, these cards are so beautiful. So look at the corner. If I show you like this, these are so beautiful cards. Look at the sheen of the cards. So if I just touch the cards, they are so joined with each other. Okay, so I need to open up. Oh my goodness, these are beautiful cards. The texture is so pretty. And the first card says card number 39, which is community. And the pictures, the colors are just amazing. Like in the first connect, in the first look, I just had a wonderful connect with these cards. Like the color are so pretty, the texture is so pretty. I feel so connected with the cards just in the first look. So card number 39, then it is card number 38, which is toil and labor. Just in the beginning, I need to put some efforts to open the cards because these cards are stick with each other. Card number 37 says poverty. Okay. 36 says distant horizons. Card number 35, pathway. 34, occupation. 33, concern. 32 says despair. 31, bad health. 30, judication. 29, imprisonment. 28 says expectation. 27, unexpected income. Okay. 26, great fortune. 25, high honor. 24, thief. 23, courthouse. 22, official person. 21, family room. The colors are so vibrant, you know. 20, house. 19, coffin. 18, child. 17, gift. 16, thoughts. 15, lovers. 14, message of concern. 13, wealthy man. 12, privileged lady. 11, sudden wealth. 10, journey. 9, change. 8, false person. 7, message. 6, mature woman. 5, mature man. 4, courtship. 3, marriage. 2, main female. And number 1 says main man. So this seems like a journey. If I see, you know, if I shuffle these cards, it's really very easy to shuffle them. Like it's like not slippery, it's not hard. So I can easily shuffle the cards. So it says I have a message from a false person. Okay. So if I want to spread the cards, so it is very easy to spread the cards and just take out the card, whatever it says. So the cards are very, very beautiful. Like if you will touch them, you will actually feel the presence of the divine connect from the cards. The picture on the cards has a clown mask on it. Okay, so overall the cards are really beautiful, really pretty, very nice to touch with vibrant colors, beautiful pictures on it. The texture is also very nice. The size is amazing. Like you can easily shuffle them, you can easily carry them with yourself, and a beautiful connect is also there present in the cards. So these cards are called like fun day color, like it's like the end of century, maybe a new beginning like you can have with these cards. So it's a combination of black border with gilded like a silver color. So these are amazing, these are beautiful. So I hope guys, so your next purchase is like easier for you to think what you want and like what do you want to buy, which should be your next oracle deck. So this is like a fortune telling deck by Cairo Marchetti. I hope you guys like this video, and if you really want to whenever I buy a new card, so if you want an unboxing video, so just comment me which unboxing card video you want, so that I just post the video, upload the video of that card, so that it becomes easier for you to buy the cards. Thank you so much for watching.